MTSA has a vision to see things outside of just nurse anesthetists practicing at the hospital. With that, we've created the Nurse Anesthesia Educator program and the Doctorate of Nurse Anesthesia Practice Completion program. That program is specifically for CRNAs returning with a master's degree to earn the Doctorate of Nurse Anesthesia Practice. The Nurse Anesthesia Educator program was designed for nurse anesthetists specifically wanting to go into education.
I went through the Nurse Anesthesia Educator program, and now I am full-time faculty and educator for MTSA. At graduation, I felt very grateful, honestly, that I had been through that program and it had prepared me so well for this role.
In this program, we encourage teaching in simulation, clinical teaching, and classroom teaching. To see them transition from new educators or even experienced educators that just as times are changing, tools are changing, to these confident, proficient educators is really the greatest feeling.